EU, LPG, French, Belgium, social security advantages to embark. Here enclosed you can have the advantages of the unemployment, the pension, the sanitary assistance, the maternity, the rights of the French and the Belgian flags, because probably if you are now on board a cruise, flag of convenience, a other type of ship, or even sailing to Qatar or to Asia, and you're thinking, I want to stay within the European waters, I am a high profile LNG or LPG, but I just don't know much about these advantages of these social security in Belgium, in France. We made the video also about the advantages in Italy. For example, if I am a very young person, I'm looking for a career development long term. C'est possible de pratiquer le français, de parler le français, parce que c'est nécessaire pour les pavillons de la France et de la Belgium. And therefore, if you do learn as good French as mine, that's all I can say. Bonjour, comment ça va? Merci pour l'application Candina Crew Inspector. C'est nécessaire pour le travail avec les bateaux des pavillons français de Belgium. So, if you know as much as me, then you can perhaps join as junior officer. Now, if you are going to read manuals and write in French, this is more complicated. Oh la la, oh la la. Therefore, you need to learn. If you do know French, because your partner is French, because you come from Portugal, Spain, Italy, Romania, these Latin languages, or you are from Maghreb and you are first generation European officer and you want to jump to this French and Belgium because it's a huge company LPG, apply urgently. Hope you read these Belgium and French advantages, and it really suits your long-term career. And if you are not so interested in that because already you are 50, 49 or something age bracket, then we also have Panama or Marshall flag ships, English speaking, that you can join as an immigrant. Thank you, bye.